Hello, welcome to Dressmaking Amore. Today I'll show you how you can easily shorten any long zipper to the exact length that you need. This method works perfectly for both nylon and metal zippers. Measure the length of the zipper that you need and make a mark at that spot on your long zipper. By hand, sew a new stopper for the zipper at the mark, just like this. Three centimeters below that new stopper, cut off the excess of your zipper. If your zipper has metal teeth, take some pliers and remove the teeth by hand. And you don't need to do this for your nylon zipper. Now we'll take some twill tape and cut it following the formula you see on the screen. You want it to equal the width of your zipper plus half a centimeter and multiply this by 2. And sew the ends of the tape with a half centimeter seam. Turn it out and put it on over your zipper ends, with the seam allowances of the tape being inside. Sew the tape to the zipper, sewing very carefully here right below the zipper teeth. And that's it! This simple method works perfect for whenever you need to shorten your zipper. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Happy sewing!